So one of the most powerful things that brokers will have in the future is actually the data, and looking at that data and trends and insights, and that'll be able to tell you so much about your client so that you can actually help them and you can have valuable, high value exchange conversations with them. So what I'm going to tell you right now is some things you need to make sure you're doing now so that you're prepared to be a future broker, a broker of the future that can leverage this data to help your clients. The number one thing you've got to do is make sure you've got clean data. Now I know because I was a broker, it's extremely overwhelming looking at all the data and going, well, where do I even start? So a couple tips to start with: making sure that the data you're collecting is accurate, up-to-date information. Second thing, don't store it in Word documents or Excel files or other notes within your CRM system. Making sure that you're actually storing this information in set fields, because that means you can export the data. It means you can actually start to look at that, analyze it, and add value to that and get insights. So that's a really key thing, because a lot of people that we speak to at the moment say, look, what if my data's not clean, or I've got all of this but it's saved in a Word file under a client folder, which is very hard to do, almost impossible to do anything with. So making sure you've got up-to-date data, making sure you're storing that in a field in your CRM that you can then export, and also making sure you don't need to do this as one big project. If you start today, it's incremental change.